how to make YouTube Shorts videos in CapCut on PC. This tutorial shows you how to create and export a vertical short video using CapCut on Windows 11. First, open CapCut on your Windows 11 PC. From there, click on New Project to start a fresh editing session. At this point, before importing your footage, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 to match the vertical YouTube Shorts format. From there, click on the ratio settings and select 9:16 from the available options. After that, click on Import to browse your PC for the video clips or images you want to use. In the next step, select your files and click on Open to add them to your project. From there, drag your clips down to the timeline at the bottom to begin editing. Once done, trim your clips by dragging the edges of each clip in the timeline to remove any unwanted sections. Following this, keep your total video length under 60 seconds to ensure it qualifies as a YouTube short. From here, add text by clicking on the Text tab at the top and selecting a style. Then type in your text and position it on the screen. At this stage, click on the Audio tab to add background music or sound effects to your video. After this, adjust the volume levels of your audio tracks so they complement rather than overpower any voiceover or original sound. Keep in mind, YouTube Shorts perform best with captions, fast pacing, and a strong hook in the first few seconds, so make sure your opening frame is visually engaging. Finally, click on Export at the top right, choose your preferred resolution and frame rate, and click on Export again to save the finished short to your PC, ready for uploading. And that's it. If this guide helped you make YouTube Shorts videos in CapCut on PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.